Hey there, this is Allison from the Cultural Classroom. I just wanted to share really quickly how to move a file from your files in Google Drive to a folder. So this is actually my Google Drive in my Google Drive and I made a sample folder just numbered 01. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this folder or this file that's called 01 sample. I'm going to hard press on it. And so I'm going to drag it. I'm going to hard press on it and I'm going to pull it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it over the folder that I want. I'm gonna drop it in there. See that down here it says 01 sample has been moved from my drive to 01. I can undo that action if I did not mean to do that action. Now, I'm gonna double click in 01 just to make sure that that is what I had intended to do. Now, we can double click on 01 sample. And another way, a second way to move your files is to actually click on this move icon. So you have a star, you have a folder, and you have this cloud. So you can click on the move and I can go back and drop it back in my drive, or I can drop it in another folder, or I can create a new folder and label it too. And then move it there. So now it's been moved from 1 to 2. Now I'm gonna go back here to my drive. So I have 1, there should be nothing in there because I moved it. And then there's 2, and I put it in 2. So just to summarize, if you have, let's see, I'm going to move this out of here just so I can show you guys again. So I double clicked on it and I'm going to put it back in my drive. All right, go back to my drive. If you have a file, see like how I have all these files down here? They're not classified, they're not organized. And that's okay with me because some of them I want them to just be like free-floating files, okay? But you guys can see that I have all these other files that are like super organized up here. So in this sample file, I can hard press it with my mouse, drag it up, and decide whether I want it to go into 1 or 2. Let's put it in 2. Okay, now if 2 was a mistake, I can go into the document itself. I can click on this little folder right here and I can go back, go into 1 if that was my intended place, and I can move it there. I hope that these instructions were easy to follow. If you have any questions, just let me know. All of my links and descriptions are down in the description box. And also, I think that I'm going to make a quick little download for this so that it's easy to follow, just a little quick downloadable. So if anybody wants just something quick and easy to follow, they can follow this tutorial in a downloadable form. All right, thank you so much. Bye.